Hey, appreciate that sub, Steelers. Appreciate that sub, buddy. He said, yo, what's good? What's up to him? What's up to him, Knuckles? Good looking, I wish. Man, we good, bro. No VC in his bank. It's okay, though. Alright, bro. Fellas. And we both average 20 points a game. Oh, this is a wreck shit. This nigga's on a 7-4, bro. Chat, let's see, bro. We get one stop, chat, we win the game. I'm not gonna lie. What up, boy? They done fucked up. They've been doing all that. They've been doing that the whole day, chat. Wow. This is what they've been doing all day, bro. Like, this is what they do?
Is that snow god?
Yo, this shit is so, like, corny play, bro.
You just gotta play the lane, bro. You gotta play the dubs.
Yeah.
Is that snow god?
Yup. I love people in those people. They so easy to stop and beat. So, they too slow, bro. It's two centers, bro. I hate players like that. Midi fade, midi post up. You niggas got two centers, shot.
Is that snow god?
He's too slow though, like. We don't give a fuck. I'm not getting ball no more. I fucked up on that. Yo, 2K, stop holding me with that, bro. Like, no tempo, bro. Bro, like, I'm missing with fucking takeover, man. Yo, I'm gonna take this jump shot off. This shit is fucking terrible, bro. Bro, what the fuck? Fucking sold, bro. I lied, bro. Let's go, green. I fucking lied, man! Come on, bro. These niggas are fucking ass, bro. 2K, stop trolling me, man. Good shit. Good shit, good shit, good shit. Probably just timing it wrong. Stage is more delayed than park. Bro, they didn't give me no tempo my last shot. It's not even that. I ain't get no tempo, you know what I mean? There we go. See me? They give me tempo, I'm greening it. I be getting sold on 2K. I be selling. I've been selling recently, bro. I don't know why, bro. But we winning now. I ain't doing no more shelling. They gave us the ball too many times. Green. These boys out of here, man. I'm gonna come to you. Oh, woo. Get him out of here. Bye bye, weirdos. Weirdos. Post fading. Post fading. Let a 6'8" stop you. You're 7'4". Sad, bro. Sad. And take a VC. This is what you wanted, right? You wanted me to play stage so bad. I don't want to play stage, but I'll take the VC though. Appreciate y'all, boss. 7 foot and a 6'4", 99.3. All right. You say you should add me? Bro, y'all can add me, bro. YT-PWEEZY. Y'all see my gamer tag, bro. Just add me. On PlayStation, bro, add me. YT-PWEEZY, bro. I'm in the game, bro. You can see my gamer tag, bro. You can literally add me. You're probably not doing nothing right now by watching, so. What SIGS you using, big bro? I got you. That's you, Big Chase 11? You play on 2K25? Nah, this 26, bro. This 26, buddy. But I mean, I played 25. I don't got it no more. Nah, I deleted that shit. That shit's ass. I need help with my dribbling. I'm a 99 though. This game's so easy. I got you though, bro. Should I drop a chat? Should I drop like a slight little dribble tutorial, bro? For y'all, bro? I would drop a slight dribble tutorial, bro. Like nothing crazy, but think I might have played against you as all. Oh yeah, I played 25, but 25, I was playing on a big like power forward dribbler, bro. I was on a fucking stretch, like a play glass. We probably did play Clinton, no cap. But it had been a minute ago, bro. I ain't played since 2K26 came out though. Yo, these niggas are.
But it pulled me to the nigga gang. Like what?
Drop your build, SIGS, jumper. Nah, I've been dropped this 6'8" build though. Yeah, that's me. I'm going next time. My bad. I was not paying attention. 26 is the worst. Are you crazy, bro? 25 is terrible, bro. This is probably one of the best 2Ks. This is a good 2K. I'm not gonna lie. 25 was ass. 25 was down there with 18, bro. This game is only ass because of Zenners, bro. But if the Zenners wasn't in the game, this game would be a perfect game. 25, I meant, sorry. Oh, I'm about to say, yeah, this game would be perfect if there wasn't cheating, bro. This game, like, there's no flaws in it for real. It's just the Zenners. That's the only complaint in the game is the Zenners, and contest a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like, how am I in front of my man, but bitch, I get 0 contest, but somebody else, they'll get 50 just looking at me, right? 26 is actually, I was on a hybrid defender, just your name look familiar? Nah, yeah, probably, bro. They need to get rid of Zenners and lag switch. Yeah, bro. Green. 26 is actually one of the best. It's just the cheaters making it garbage. Yeah, facts, bro, literally. With my other jump shot on me, that's green, bro. I'm not used to this shit. Cause I missed that with heat check. 6'6" shooting guard, 6'10" wingspan, 3-point slasher. Shit, I know you ain't got no deep bomber on that build. What's the step back? I got Devin Booker step back, bro. It's not a step back that I be doing though. It's a hot back. Bro, wanna put my Dukes in the crib. I told him I got him. I signed this deal. Like what? Yeah, defense 87. I was about to say, yeah, that's a defensive build. Give me that shit. Fuck wrong with his ball game, fellas. Hey! Get up! My mom took away my PS5 because I have one B for a B? Shit like that be blowing a nigga, cause it's like, bro, 1D, I mean 1B, a B at that? Nah, you different, muddy. I would've had to say something, bro, like, hold on, ma. Hold on, ma. Hold on, ma. This just a B. Find it, bro. We did lose one. Now, actually, we know we didn't lose in stage at all. Oh, no, we did. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. We lost one with OG. Oh, no. OG didn't even get to play. I'm tripping, bro. We didn't lose. My bad, chat. I'm over here. Invite to park. Join up. Then you gotta try to put it back in the same spot. Yeah, literally. But see, that was okay. Nah, you do know. I had to goddamn. I'm talking about. If she was at work, man, I'm on the game, bro. Tripping, bro. Chat, y'all see what I mean? I put my jump shot on. I could hit the shots I'm usually hitting. The other shot is fast, bro. I gotta use that shot if I'm shooting with square or something. It feel like, you see how much better this is, chat? Like with the J on. Shout out Jay, bro, for the jump shot. The thing is, your mom already know you was on the sticks. Word? Nah, there's no way. Nah, there's no way. Nah, there's no way. Nah, there's no way. God, she probably did. Bro, I used to... Man, every time I got caught, it was like when I was getting caught, it would be like in the worst moments. I get caught not knowing she came home, or like she get off work early or something. Nah, this dude's getting killed, bro. Had to put my jump shot back on, man. Green. I would always find it too, but one time she took away my remote and I couldn't find it. The only time I couldn't find one of him, I just dropped him off 21. The only time I couldn't find my remote is if like one day chat, she bought the whole system. When she take the system, like, okay, the system, I could find it when she hide the system, but one day she took the system with her to work. I'm telling you, chat, bro. Cause this is what I usually do, chat. Every time I would find it, it was weird. Cause like every time I was looking for it, I would ask my mom, like, or no, I'll be on the phone with Keith. Shout out my nigga K Sharp. Or no, I'll be looking for it without him. Like, I'll just be looking for it on my own. I can't find it, bro. I'm like, dang, like, I'm looking everywhere in her room, throughout the house. I can't find it. Man, I FaceTime my dog Keith. I'm just on the phone with Keith. I'm just talking to him, and I'll like find that motherfucker while I'm talking to him. Every time, bro. Except for when she took my system, bro. When she take the system, I can't do nothing. Yeah, when she take the system, I can't do nothing. But one day, she took my cord. When she took the cord, she took my the power cord, not the HDMI. The HDMI, if she took that, I don't care. You can have the HDMI. I got plenty more. You feel me? I got plenty more HDMI cords. You can have the HDMI. But then she started taking a power cord. And then one day, y'all remember hoverboards? Like the Segways and shit, the hoverboards you could ride? So, y'all know how it used to have the charger, but the charger, it's like the back of the PlayStation 4 charger. So it's like, it looked like this. You know, these type of chargers. I don't know, what is this connect? Oh, this is connected to my charger. You see this? This is how the PS4 charger was. You had this, but in the back of the console. So, my hoverboard had one of these at the end of it. And what I would do is take my hoverboard charger, like take out the charger, plug these in into the back of the PS4. Good money. Good money. Good money. But like I said, bro, she'll catch me when she come home early, like, bro. I'm like, okay, she get off 6, 7. I could get off my game 30 minutes before she even get off work. And I'm straight. I had my 4-5 hours on the game. I'm cool. Heck nah, bro. Some days she'll come home at like 2, 1. Like, whoa, ma. I thought you was getting off in 4, 5 more hours. Those would be the moments I get caught, like when I ain't know she home. Where'd she come home? I don't even know.